Everyone, and welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video, we will recap today's market action and discuss our game plan for tomorrow. But first up, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get our reports, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0, it will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which includes a copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free service from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat groups. And speaking of reports, I said last night that insanity was coming. Today's afternoon alert was up at 1.85% before closing up 34%. The shorts certainly got squeezed. We will continue looking for more opportunities like this one, and Friday's alert is now up 45% since our report was released to subscribers. We are on fire. Don't miss our next alert as we are on the hunt. Make sure you click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. And shout out to Jeffrey Gray 1030. Congrats. Glad you are benefiting from our videos, our alerts, everything. So shout out to you. Thanks for commenting. And guys, please leave a comment below on this video if you caught today's alert, how you're doing in the markets, your thoughts. If you want me to look at any stocks on your lists, I will certainly do that. If someone has why is NVAX not on your radar, it has been on our radar. It just hasn't been doing much, and we'll be doing it's mostly a COVID vaccine play, and who's talking about COVID anymore? So that is the issue with Novavax, but we're always looking for more opportunities. So if you want us to comment, look at any of your stocks, again, leave a comment below. But guys, stocks today rebounded. They're continuing their rebound as yields continue to drop lower. Right now, earnings are important, but right now it's more the macro picture. Geopolitical concerns, Russia, Ukraine, Israel, Hamas, Hezbollah. It's just that is a concern that everyone has. And then you have the interest rates have been spiking. The bet now is that the Fed is going to stand pat, and there's concern. The 10-year yield was hit 5% last week, pulling back here to 4.8%. The 30-year was almost at 5.2%, under 5%. This is a relief. This is what people are looking for. A lot of people, if you were playing this, TLT is the main ETF, but the one I like is TMF. This is the leveraged ETF. This one last week was as low as 383. We're at 425. It's not a lot, but it's opportunities in this market right now. You can't go looking for home runs. It's a lot of singles and doubles. If you see green, right now, when I see green in my trades and what I'm doing, I take it. I'm not greedy in this market. I am more scalping, sniping, just like with Jeffrey Gray said. It's like what he says here. I watch every technical analysis video you produce and follow every recommendation you make. Thank you for all your time and hard work that you do for us. This we seem to never appreciate. From all of us silent snipers, thank you. And that's what you got to be doing. You got to be sniping in this market. Focus on the singles and doubles. That's how you will do. Once that market turns, that we're getting these big runners, I will be the first to tell you and point that out to you. But again, it was a green across the board. SPY was up 0.75%, QQQ 0.97%, the Dow 0.64%, IWN, which is the Russell 2000, which has been lagging the markets, has been rebounding. And it's interesting. You can see the flows. So stocks are rebounding, the bonds are coming back, and then you're getting gold pulling back from 2000. Crude oil has been pulling back from $90. This is less inflation. So, crude pulling back is certainly a good sign. In the after hours today, and I pointed this out in our weekly weekend trading plan video. You got to focus on what's going on with the earnings. That is, the earnings reports, because it helps with sentiment. I know I said that it's more macro concerns, but earnings, that is a concern that people have. And Microsoft blew out earnings today. The stock was up over 4.5% in extended hours after the tech giant posted first quarter results that topped expectations, aided by strong growth in its Azure cloud. Microsoft earned $2.99 per share on $56.52 billion in revenue. Microsoft said that cloud services revenue, which is mostly comprised of Azure, grew 29% or 28% year over year in constant currency. Amazon shares rose in extended hours trading on the back of also strong cloud results. Let's see here. Total revenues of $56.52 billion came in well above the street estimates of $54.52 billion, while EPS of $2.99 came in well above the street's $2.65 estimate. A very strong performance given the macro headwinds, and that's what I've been talking, macro headwinds. So when you get an earnings report beat like this, it is a positive sign. Macro headwinds as more enterprises move to the cloud, while the company rapidly infuses AI across the entire tech stack. The company returned $9.1 billion to shareholders during the period in the form of buybacks and dividends. And if you look here at the major news plays, this is one of my screens. Microsoft closed at 330. We're trading over 340 in the afters. That is a clear breakout. I like to see that. We'll see if we can get continuation tomorrow. But if you look at these main charts, and everyone's focused on the Magnificent Seven. Google, which is now Alphabet, which is a stupid name, but whatever. Microsoft, Meta, Apple, Amazon, Nvidia, Tesla. But if you look at their charts, there's just a lot of, we're at trendline support, trendline resistance. It's really tight. If you look here at Apple, you look at Google, it just feels like we're in a make or break. And for the overall market, these Magnificent Seven that people are talking about, these need to hold up to, for that continuation. So, this is why it's sort of like, I don't know what the next, if we're going higher or we're going lower. I am uncertain, and I'm just taking it day by day, and that's why I said I'm just focusing on singles and doubles and just taking what I can. Another company that reported strong results today was Snap, which is actually been surprising. They've been getting crushed after each earnings report, but today we're getting a bounce. The company reported revenue of $1.19 billion, beat by 80 million US. Shares are up 21% in the after hours. Let's see here what the company is saying. The company said our internal forecast assumes a revenue range of $1.3 billion to $1.37 billion, implying year-over-year revenue growth of approximately 2% to 6%. Within this range of revenue, we estimate adjusted EBITDA will be between $65 million and $105 million. So it was not a great report, but the key is it looks like the bleeding is done. The company it showed positive revenue growth, showed a positive EPS. So that is a positive. So that's why we're getting this big jump in the after hours. So let's see, and then here, I have the 50 and the 200-day moving average. So we're going to be above that tomorrow, which is bullish. So certainly be watching Snap for trading opportunities. And then the big name that everyone's talking about is Bitcoin. We're here just above 34,000. BlackRock Bitcoin ETF added to eligibility file, says clearinghouse DTCC. Speculation that BlackRock or a number of other pending Bitcoin ETF applicants would succeed has sent Bitcoin on its biggest two-day rally for 7 months. Traders had noticed it out on a list on the website of DTCC, a post-trade settlement house that, according to its annual report, processed some 2.5 quadrillion trades. The clearinghouse said that the list was its eligibility file, which includes active and potential ETFs, and that BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust ETF was added in August as standard practice in preparation for the launch of a new ETF. So we had the news, Grayscale Bitcoin won their case with the SEC. SEC is not appealing, so now we're going to get the hopefully that they can convert to a spot Bitcoin ETF, and that is what's going on right now. But a lot of the Bitcoin names today, except for MicroStrategy, this is the only one that had a green candle. Riot had a red candle. Mara, I believe, filed for a mixed shelf. They're going to be raising money, and Coinbase was red on the day. Tomorrow, folks, we get building permits at 8 a.m., 10 a.m. new home sales. That will be key. Everyone will be watching that. Earnings, Hilton Worldwide, General Dynamics, T-Mobile, Boeing, Hess is agreed to be bought by Chevron, Meta Platforms, IBM, and O'Reilly Automotive. In terms of small caps and penny stocks, LIAN was the big runner today. Out with big news. The company entered into an agreement with Bristol Myers Squibb for its Mavacamten in China and other Asian markets. Land Bio to receive total upfront consideration of $350 million, and the board is conducting a strategic review of business. Upfront consideration of $350 million, market cap just $320 million. So we could see, like I said, some consolidation, some profit taking tomorrow, but this is big news. So this one certainly, I think this one is not done yet. I'll be looking at this one for trade opportunities going forward. And other than that, really not seeing much more to talk about. I will, of course, be scanning pre-market tomorrow, and if I see anything, I will send out an email or a text. At InsiderFinancial.com, what we're doing here is putting stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities each day in the markets. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding the momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at InsiderFinancial.com. And to get our small cap reports, we cover low float, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks, crypto stocks. Click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. No spam, your info is never shared, unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at insiderfinancial.com and unsubscribe. Finally, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video is not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for watching. Remember to smash that like button, hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Have a great week, traders. Bye-bye.